Welcome, today I'm with DOOGEE S40 and I'll show you how to adjust notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should open the notification bar here like this, and now you can see all the available icons. Now you have just to tap here on the edit icon, and as can you see, we can add to our notification bar more icons, for example by holding and dragging here to these icons. Also we can remove the same or another icon like this one, just drag here to remove that. And also we can just change the we can just drag it here, and we can change the position of this icon. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.